Traveling the world is a dream for many, but often, it seems like an expensive one. But what if we told you that you can explore the world on a budget? That's right. In this video, we're going to show you how to travel the world cheaply and make the most of your trip. Plan. The first step to traveling the world cheaply is to plan. Research your destination and find the cheapest time to travel. Avoid traveling during peak season and opt for off-peak times instead. This can save you a lot of money on airfare, accommodations, and other travel expenses. Stay in budget accommodations. Forget about staying in fancy hotels. Instead, opt for budget accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. Not only are they more affordable, but they also offer a unique and authentic travel experience. You can save even more by sharing a room with friends or other travelers. Eat like a local. Eating out at restaurants every day can add up quickly. Instead, opt for local street food, or cook your meals in your budget accommodation. You'll save money and get to try some delicious and authentic local cuisine. Use public transportation. Rental cars and taxis can be expensive, especially in a foreign country. Opt for using public transportation instead. Not only is it more affordable, but it's also a great way to experience the local culture and meet new people. Take advantage of free activities. Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities. For example, walking tours, hiking, or visiting local markets and parks. Research your destination before you go and take advantage of all the free or low-cost activities it has to offer. Traveling the world doesn't have to be expensive. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can explore the world on a budget and make the most of your trip. Remember to plan, stay in budget accommodations, eat like a local, use public transportation, and take advantage of free activities. Happy travels! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. And as always, safe travels!